Hello all, in this video we are going to discuss subclasses in surface irrigation. First subclass is flooding. What is flooding? Flood is an overflow of water that submerges land that is usually dry. Flooding or an area of study in the discipline of hydrology. They are the most common and widespread natural severe weather event. It encourages growth of weeds and spread of diseases like gommosis in citrus and collar root in papaya. Next, second subclass in surface irrigation is B. Basin system. What is basin system? Basin system is one of the oldest methods of irrigating and is widely practiced where rice is irrigated. Rice. Irrigation of land by surrounding it with embankments to form a basin and flooding it with water. It means land is irrigated by surrounding it with embankments to form a basin and flooding it with water. Observe this diagram carefully. Supply channel. This channel is called supply channel. Water flows from this channel and water get to the tree by field channels. This is called basin system. Now next we are going to discuss third subclass in surface irrigation is furrow system. This is the third subclass in surface irrigation. What is furrow system? Furrow system is conducted by creating small parallel channels along the field length in the direction of predominant shape. Water is let in these furrows from the main channels. Water is let in these furrows from the main channels. Water is applied to the top end of each furrow and floats down to the field under the influence of gravity. Crops that would be damaged if water covered their stem or crown should be irrigated by furrows. Furrows irrigation is also suited to the growing of tree crops. We all know how to irrigate tree crops. This furrow system helps to irrigate the tree crops. Next, fourth subclass of surface irrigation is ring system. What is ring system? In this system, a ring is formed close and around the tree and water is let into the basin. This is the method recommended for citrus trees, thereby reducing the chance of collar root to which these trees are often susceptible. And this is all are similar. This diagram is similar for ring system and basin system. And these called ring basin methods of irrigation. Observe this B figure. The size of the ring will increase as the tree grows. Disease like collar root, etc. are prevented by this method. Observe this diagram. We can observe that these are the furrows. These are rings, and the water comes through the rings. The size of the ring will increase as the tree grows. So, by these systems, we have completed that surface irrigation. Next, we are going to discuss about subsurface irrigation by next videos.